Is your small business payroll a constant headache? Do you find yourself tied to your desk just to get your team paid? What if you could manage it all from your phone? That's the promise of mobile accessibility. For small business owners and freelancers, being able to handle critical tasks on the go is a game changer, and that includes payroll. Today, we're diving into the world of Wave Payroll and exploring the two main ways you can access it on your mobile device, through a browser or with the dedicated app. So, what's the difference? Let's start with the Wave Payroll app. It's built for convenience. You can quickly run payroll, review pending pay runs, and even add new hires right from your phone. Employees also have a great experience, with a self-service portal to access pay stubs and tax documents like W-2s and 1099s. It's snappy, easy to use, and perfect for when you need to handle a quick task while away from your computer. Now, what about using your mobile browser? The browser version of Wave Payroll offers a more complete, desktop-like experience. While the app is streamlined for core functions, the browser lets you access a wider range of features. You can dive into more detailed reports, manage your full chart of accounts, and handle all the nitty-gritty accounting tasks that are integrated with your payroll. You're not limited to just the basic payroll functions. You have the full power of Wave at your fingertips, albeit in a format that might require a little more zooming and scrolling on a smaller screen. So, which one is right for you? It really depends on your needs. If you're a business owner who needs to quickly approve a payroll run while on the go or just check a single detail, the app is your best friend. But if you need to perform more complex financial analysis or manage your full business accounts, the mobile browser is the way to go. Ideally, you'll use both, leveraging the app for speed and the browser for comprehensive control. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.